everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use output statement in Java programming language. So for that, let's start. Java programming language is an object-oriented programming language which is also called OOPS, and Java is a case-sensitive language. It means the uppercase and lowercase are different from each other. Now for today's statement, I'm going to use Java output statement. So let's see. First of all, the main thing is that class demo, enter class name, anything, okay, and here I don't have an IDE, but I am using codeshop.com. The link is in description. Now first of all, let me make up basics. So open the bracket and write public static, okay, static void name, and okay, now what I'm going to do, yes, I'm going to show you a simple output statement which is also called print statement. For that, let me assign something, assume value, such as let the integer a is equal to 50, and integer b is equal to 100. Now let me show you the output statement, how to write that. That is system dot out dot print ln out dot print ln double quotes right here. Okay, right, let me write here output is, okay, comma, no, not comma, plus, and then we are going to write a. Now let me first, for a small tutorial, I'm going to remove the integer b command, just using integer a. System.out.println. There is a difference. There is a big difference between print ln and print. The print command will print in one line only, but whereas print ln will print in other line. I'm going to show the example of that too. Just first of all, let me write print ln. Now brackets are closed. I'm going to run this and waiting for a minute. Yeah, okay, there's a small error, that is putting semicolon. Now this is required that every Java program, every Java command should have a semicolon. Every statement should have a semicolon after the end of the statement. Okay. Main.java.3 error, missing method body. Okay, declared abstract. Now let me tell you what the meaning of this is. So that means that we have made a simple mistake, is not putting the double integer or variable data type. That can be anything like integer or double if using decimal like this, or generally if you are using without decimal number, just put integer. Okay, integer. When you put integer, now this I'm going to run it here. Run to show you the output. So the output is 50. So this was a command for output statement. So the keyword, that is data type variable, is very much important for running the program, else it will show Java error. If we remove that, print it again, Okay, now this time it will show main.java.for error cannot find symbol, but if you write integer, it will be done. Now let me show you what is class. Now class is output statement, means the file name, such that your file name is saved as Java, or you can name your own name or anything else. Your file name can be saved. Now whatever you have saved your file name as class name 2, I have saved it as output, and the class name is output also. Now next thing we are going to do is public static void main string x and bracket open. Now what is public static void main? Public static void main is a important command that is required here for making the program run. For even a simple program, you have to put this thing here, and then integer a is equal to 50. I'm going to keep it here, and system.out.print, system s should be in capital because Java is an case sensitive language which is also object oriented programming system. Now print statement and print ln, what's the difference between them? Now let me show it to you again. When you let me show, integer b is equal to 60, let b 60, okay, and another system out print statement, I'm gonna keep it here, okay, system dot out dot print ln ab, print ln and the double quotes output number 2 plus using plus b, and going to print it, run it. Now when I'm going to run that one, what will happen? Putting a semicolon is necessary. Now run the command, and output is written here, okay. Now what the thing is, let me show it to you again. Without print ln, what will happen? If I remove ln from this print statement like this and run it again, okay, now it will come in one line only. By putting ln, we can make it to run in other line, and without putting ln, it will come in one line only. Now there is another way also, that how can we without putting ln change the line, and that is using hash with n inside the double quotes, and then print it again, run the command again. Okay. So by using hash n, we can change the line also, and if we don't use hash n, just simply use ln to change the line. So taking leave, I am Samyak, and today this is much for Java. Coming back with another tutorial right now, not now but soon. Thank you for watching.